that you must write down in between. Like candidate must write words in between 250 to 350, right? Not less than 250 words. When we talk about the coherence and cohesion device, what are these? This is the link of one sentence with another sentence, one paragraph with another paragraph. And coherent devices are linking devices that you use for the reader to tell where you are going in the essay. The reader is basically your examiner. You are telling your examiner what you are doing, like where you are going and what are you doing in this essay. For example, the devices are furthermore, in addition. These words are called linking devices. Let's talk about the lexical resource, that's vocabulary. It also has levels, level A1 to C2. So you must write down according to your band score. One last one is grammatical range and accuracy. Here the examiner is looking different type of grammatical structures into your essay. What I mean by grammatical structures, let's talk about number 1, tense, number 2, I see boys, 3 is you must add one conditional sentence into your essay. Number 4 is types of sentences in which we write simple sentence, compound sentence, complex sentence, and the last one is complex compound sentence. If we talk about how many complex compound sentences should be there, so there is no limitation how many you can use into our writing, into our essay. When you look at IELTS brand descriptor, they mention you must add complex and complex compound sentence, but they never tell how many should be there. So you can use according to your own desire or according to the